Welcome back to Vyshlo. To make a purchase, head to the login page and enter your mobile number, then click Continue. When the terms and conditions pop up, simply scroll through the guidelines, check the box to confirm your agreement, and select Accept Terms. An OTP will be sent directly to your phone. Enter the 4-digit code and hit Verify OTP to securely log into your profile. Click Upload Photo, choose your preferred picture, and wait a brief moment for the system to complete the upload. Next, add your contact information by typing in your email address and your name. Make sure to toggle on the try-on feature to explore interactive styles, then click Update Profile. Now you're ready to shop. Head over to All Products to browse the catalog, find the item you want, click on the star button to add the product to your wish list, choose your size, and click Add to Cart. When you're ready to check out, view your shopping bag and click Proceed to Checkout. Next, fill in your shipping details. Enter your first and last name, confirm your country, and type in your mobile number. Scroll down to the address section to provide your house or plot number, street name, and any nearby landmarks. Finish up the location section by typing your city, selecting your state, and adding your PIN code, then click Continue to Checkout. Review your order totals on the final summary screen. Select Razorpay as your payment method and click Confirm Order. When the Razorpay portal opens, you can choose from various payment options. Select the payment method as per your requirement and wait for the secure page to load. Click Success to simulate a completed payment. The system will confirm your transaction in just a few seconds. Once your payment is successful, you will be automatically redirected back to Vyshlo, where a confirmation banner will verify that your order has been successfully placed. You can now track your purchase details anytime right from the My Orders dashboard.